It isn't too often that we get to meet a young proponent of Indian classical music. But Madhuparna is a trained classical singer who is now experimenting with semi-classical forms and contemporary music. I've come to her beautiful house in Kandivali to know more about her and her music. Keep watching Beat Street with me, Suhail Banerjee, as I try and make sense of the music around me.
रात भारी है दिन भी भारी था रात भारी है.
A few months ago, Madhuparna Vaidya decided to pay her inspiration, the legendary ghazal singer Mehdi Hasan Sahab, a tribute. She composed and sung a version of Bekarari Si Bekarari Hai. Only she gave it a touch of rock. Madhuparna is a trained classical singer whose prodigious talent was noticed at a very early age.
I think at the age of 7 I started singing in All India Radio, and after that I started winning competitions and stuff like that. So of course my father thought he should direct me and to give me proper guidance of a guru. So he got me to Bombay, and then I came across Ustad Dilshad Khasab, Parveen Sultana ji. I was training under them for almost 19 years. ऊंचाई शौक लगा है खेलने ऊंचाई शौक लगा है खेलने फिर तुझे याद किया है दिल ने ऊंचाई शौक लगा है खेलने. So I went and I heard about Parveen Sultana that time in Assam, and her music of course. And I didn't know Ustad Dilshad Khasab was her husband and guru. I went and I saw her. I was like, wow, I'm here at the right place. And then I met my Ustad ji and he heard me. He said, जो भी सीखा है कुछ सुनाओ. तो फिर मैंने एक यमन राग सुनाया, just simple. So he was just smiling. Okay. So yeah, after that, when the first lesson happened, it was like a bomb on my head. I was like, oh, what have I learned and what is this? जाने कब जान लिया है महफिल ने फिर तुझे याद किया है.
With her training safely underway, Madhuparna started winning awards and getting selected for TV projects. For her, the move to Mumbai was turning out to be a blessing. But as she was soon to find out, dreams in Mumbai are as elusive as they are accessible.
There was an ad in the paper from ABCL, company ABCL. So they were looking out for singers, talent, all India level of singers. So I applied for that. I think that was in the year 95, 96. Yeah, I applied and yeah, I got a call wherein actually the panel of judges were like Kavita Krishnamurthy and Jasha ji and all big people. And then I got a call. So this was where we thought things were happening at that time after coming to Bombay. So it was something we were looking forward to. And then I think, all these Saregama and everything came later on. First it was us, we started, the episodes were also recorded, but unfortunately the company was closed. So, and we also started doing the album for ABCL with Sanjay Maru, music director. So I finished 2 songs of mine with them. So graduation was done, so I thought, yeah, life is made. So now we'll be singing for ABCL movies, because that was what was promised to us. But yeah, unfortunately the company, something went wrong and it did not happen. Then I also, after ABCL, I did an album, fusion album with Indian Worldwide Records. It was called Indian Secrets. And I did few bhajans and some albums here and there. So it was just going on. I was in UK for 6 months and I performed in quite a lot of places in UK and got good response there. And I came back. I got married. So after marriage, I thought, okay, I'll keep my music. Let me try other things.
दिल ही दुखाने के लिए रंजिशें सही फिर से मुझे छोड़ के जाने के लिए रंजिशें सही. I started only maybe 2.5, 3 years back, my real struggle to reach to people with my music. And so I Am Kalam happened. It so happened that my brother was doing the promotional video and the producers didn't like the song that was done. So he said, why don't you try it? You give it a shot, your composition, maybe it will work. And I gave an first chance only, it was selected. So I was like, okay, that's good.
Having composed for I Am Kalam, Madhuparna decided to experiment with her favorite form of music, and she formed a band and added contemporary sounds to ghazals.
So I came up with 4 songs. All are in the pop, Hindi pop genre. So it did well after they released it. It really did well. So I was actually one of the artists who had been heard by many people. So after that, I had this confidence. Yeah, I want to do more of my own style and reach out to people with my own style of music. So that's where I created a band called Manthan.
कैसे संभाले खुद को संभाले हम ना होंगे जो जुदा.
Then I came across this guy Nigel Rajaratnam, and very talented guy. And when we sat together, we knew, yes, we both can just just the gelling happened. And when we first jammed, it was like, oh, we were very happy that yeah, things are working out. And today, I think today's generation, they want to actually listen to the traditional classical style and Indian style. And since Nigel is into Western, he's fully trained Western very well, and I have Indian background, so coming together really made sense. And now Artist Aloud has released my second single with him. It is called Piya Kahe Tu. It is in Rag Madhuvanti.
पिया काहे तू मुँह से बोले ना, पिया काहे तू मुँह से बोले ना, काहे ना माने तू मोरी बतिया, काहे ना माने तू मोरी बतिया, पिया काहे तू मुँह से बोले ना. पिया काहे तू मुँह से बोले ना, पिया का
These songs have been written by Salil Vaidya, who is also Madhuparna's husband. I tried to find out how exactly this musical partnership works.
So to me, her career and her work has always been more interesting than I've ever seen in my own life. I mean, well, I do a job, okay, and it's good. It's an easy way to make a career compared to a musician, where the struggle is a lot more. It's a larger investment in terms of the time and effort taken, and I think I've appreciated that, and there is a lot of confidence in her ability. So I've been wanting to do whatever to help her out, work with her, partner her in some way, and this just happened that she keeps coming up with tunes, and then I'm there. So started with a few songs where I wrote some words for her, and she thought they made sense.
No. It all started when we started being friends, and he used to write little chits to me, and I used to say, Salil, this is some talent you've got. You should take it up. So whenever I used to make a tune, I used to have some words thought of my own, and then I used to tell him, please organize it. And then it used to come out very, very well.
After endless cups of tea and some melodious music, the Mehfil-e-Sham came to an end. But not before Madhuparna sang one of my favorite rags.
You have to tune madhyam, you have to tune it to mother.
Achha, okay.
जैसे कि ये राग यमन के बारे में मैंने बताया, जैसे कि छोटा ख्याल एक मैं आपके सामने 2 लाइन सुनाती हूँ. कल नाही आए मुरियारे, कल नाही आए हे मुरियारे, उन बिना मैं को कल नाही आए मुरियारे, कल नाही आए, कल नाही आए, कल नाही आए प्रिया मोरे, कल नाही आए. पमा गरे ग गनि ध पमा ध पमा गरे ग गरे सनि ध सनि रे, कल नाही आए. सनि रे सनि ध पमा गरे ग पमा गरे सनि ध स सनि ध स सनि ध स, कल नाही आए मोरियारे, कल नाही आए मोरे, आए मोरे पिया, कल नहीं आए. कल नहीं आए मोरे आले.
Yet another journey with another fantastic musician and composer comes to an end. Madhuparna's soulful voice would resonate in my ears tonight. Keep watching Beat Street with me, Suhail Banerjee, as I travel across Mumbai and try to make more sense of the music around me. Only on City First.